Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a Ford Escape or Ford Kuga from the 2020 model year and later. I'm doing this because there are dents on the door, and by removing the panel, it might be possible to hammer out the dents from the inside. The door panel is attached with bolts and screws. One is located behind the plastic handle cover, another bolt is behind the reflector, then there are two bolts behind the window control panel cover, and two more screws at the bottom of the door panel. So, let's start by removing the plastic cover using a thin screwdriver. Underneath it, you'll find the first bolt, which you'll need to unscrew using an 8mm socket. Next, use a trim removal tool to unclip the window control panel. Don't forget to disconnect the power and control connectors from the button panel. Then, use a 7mm socket to remove the two bolts. After that, move on to the interior reflector, which needs to be carefully pried off with a screwdriver without breaking the clips. Inside the panel, you'll need to unscrew one bolt using an 8mm socket. Lastly, unscrew the two screws at the bottom of the door panel using a 7mm socket. Now the only thing left is to remove the door trim, which is held in place by clips. First, pull the panel from the bottom, then use your hand to help release the top clips. Be careful here because you'll still need to disconnect the central lock button connector and remove the door handle cables. Once you've done all that, you can take the door panel aside. As you can see, it's not that difficult. See you in the next videos.